Hi there, it's Jack from JMC. Today I'm here with RK Vodka talking about how to make the Perfect Vodka Tonic. So the Vodka Tonic is a real simple drink, shouldn't be too hard to get wrong, but the amount of places that do is pretty crazy. So today we're just going to talk through a real simple Vodka Tonic that's always going to taste great. So we're going to start with a double shot of RK Vodka, because why not double up? And we are going to fill the glass with ice. The more ice, the better. Let's leave a little bit for someone to put in if they want. Get a nice big lime wedge, give it a squeeze in. And a real simple but a perfect vodka tonic.